araw po mga ka-Oragon. Atin pong tunghayan ang inaugurasyon ng mega manufacturing plant na pinasinayaan ni BBM. Atin pong panoorin.
Of the mega manufacturing plant here in Santo Tomas will contribute to the achievement of the government's target of a 10% annual increase in approved investments in the agribusiness sector. This is one of the key targets under the 2023 to 2028 Philippine Development Plan. This project also supports the administration's initiatives to fulfill the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, particularly in the areas of no poverty, zero hunger, and decent work and economic